Hey there. What if I tell you that you can earn cash while having fun on your phone? Well, get ready because I've got a secret to spill. Making over $23 in just 10 minutes playing games and installing apps sounds too good to be true. But stick around because I'm about to reveal the real deal. Step 1. Sign up and claim your bonus. Alright, so first things first, you're going to want to hit that sign up button. It's usually right at the top of the page, easy to spot. Once you click it, a little window will pop up asking for your email and a password. Make sure that password is a strong one, with lots of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe. Then, there's usually a box you gotta check to say you agree to their privacy stuff. Once all that's done, just hit that sign up button again, and boom, you've got yourself a free cash account. You can also sign up using your Gmail or Steam account if that's easier for you. Now that you're all signed up, it's time to grab your bonus. See, free cash likes to give a little something extra. So, look around your dashboard for a button that says, Claim Now. Give it a click, and you might just score anywhere from a few cents to a whopping $250. Okay, once you've claimed your bonus, it's time to see if you can grab some more cash. Look for a button that says something like Open Case. Click it, and watch as the numbers spin. You might get a few extra cents, or if you're lucky, even more cash. And get this, if you manage to earn just $1 within the next couple of days, they'll toss 3 more cases your way, giving you even more chances to win big. Step 2. Play games and install apps. To start making some cash by playing games and installing apps, you'll want to head over to the Free Cash homepage. Once you're there, take a look at the offers on the left side of the screen. You'll see a bunch of different options for games and apps that you can check out. Now here's the cool part. You can filter these offers by category, or just check them all out at once. This means you can pick exactly what kind of games or apps you're interested in. You can use Android, iOS, or even a desktop device. Just look for the little sign in the top right corner of each offer to see which ones work on your device. And guess what? You don't have to stick to just one device. You can switch it up and still make money online with free cash. Pretty neat, huh? With thousands of games and apps to choose from, you'll never get bored. Plus, you'll get paid instantly for installing some of them, or even just for signing up for certain social media apps. Now keep in mind that the offers you see might be different depending on where you live. But don't worry, no matter where you are, there are still plenty of opportunities to earn some cash. So go ahead, start installing those apps and playing those games. Take TikTok, for example. You can earn a cool $8 just by installing it. Simply click on the offer, and a window will pop up with all the info you need. To grab that $8, all you gotta do is install the app, open it up, and let it run for 30 seconds. Easy peasy. Now sometimes it might take a couple of days for the offer to show up in your account, so don't worry if you don't see it right away. Just hang tight, and it'll pop up eventually. And hey, if you're using an iPhone, you're in luck. You can log into Free Cash on your iPhone and snag those offers right from there. But wait, there's more. Check out the deposit section for some serious cash opportunities. Acorns is offering a sweet $70 for your first recurring deposit. And then there's Earnin, where you can get part of your paycheck early. With Free Cash, your first cash out could score you a whopping $80. Now that's some serious cash in your pocket. Let's check out a game example to see how you can make some cash. Imagine you're interested in trying out the Grab a Toy game. When you click on the offer, it tells you that you'll earn 14 cents when you reach 100 meters in the game. If you hit 1,000 meters, you'll earn $18, and if you make it to 2,000 meters, you'll get over $24. Wow! And if you reach a whopping 5,000 meters, you'll get a cool $64. So, in total, you could earn over $18 just by playing this game. Just hit the Earn button at the bottom of the page. If you're using a computer like me, it'll show you a QR code. Just scan that with your phone, and it'll take you to the game's download page. Once it's installed, start playing and start earning. Now here's the thing to remember. Most of these offers are for new users only. So, if you've already used an email to sign up for Free Cash, it might not work. My suggestion? Create a new account with a fresh email address. That way, you'll be sure to get credited for all your hard-earned cash. Step 3. Refer friends and earn more. Here's another way to make money without lifting a finger. Referrals. Want to amp up your earnings? Share your referral link with friends on social media. Every time they earn, you earn too. It's like building your own money-making squad. Just share your referral link with your pals, and whenever they make cash, you get a slice too. Still need convincing? Let's hear some success stories. Adam from the US raked in over $2,300 in just 26 days, while T.S. Tannick from Australia scored a total of $273, with $155 just this month. Ready to harvest your cash? Free Cash gives you options like PayPal, bank transfer, or even cryptocurrencies. Pick your favorite, cash out, and boom. Your money will be in your account within 5 business days. You've heard the success stories and seen the potential earnings. Free Cash is the real deal. With offers available in countries worldwide, there's no shortage of opportunities to cash in. Just sign up, claim your bonus, and start earning real cash by playing games and installing apps. And don't forget about those sweet referral bonuses. Share your link with friends and watch the cash roll in every time they earn. Thanks for tuning in to Profitability Plus. Now that you've heard all about Free Cash and the awesome opportunities it offers, we want to hear from you. Have you ever tried making money online with apps like Free Cash? What was your experience like? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. So what are you waiting for? Join the thousands of users already making money with Free Cash. With just a few clicks, you can earn cash with a little effort. Sign up today and start earning cash, one game at a time. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Profitability Plus for more tips on making money online. Until next time, happy earning.